Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are gonna learn CSS. I'm gonna make this series where we are gonna learn CSS from the basic. If you are someone who has no idea about CSS or you are someone who want to revise your CSS, this series or these videos are gonna help you. My goal is to start with the basic one, then move to intermediate, and then I will go towards the advanced level. So let's start with today's video, which is the most basic thing. What is CSS? So for this, what I'm gonna do is I will create a notes.md file and let me add day 1. What is CSS? For that, we need to understand first web development. In web development, we create pages, web pages, and in web development, there are 3 pillars. The first is HTML, second is CSS, and third is your JavaScript. Now, HTML is basically structure of your web page or basically skeleton. So we use HTML tags to define the structure of our web page. Now, where CSS comes? CSS come in the styling or beautification of your HTML web page. And at the last, you have the functionality. So think like a human body. Your bones and everything, your bones are basically your HTML. It provides us a structure. Our skin is basically CSS styling. And when we move our hand, that is basically JavaScript. Now to understand with this with actual code, let's see button. So button is an HTML tag. And I will write here, click here. Now this is your HTML tag button. Now if I want this button to look specifically like background color should be blue, the font size, click here, should be bigger, and other styling part, that actually falls in CSS. Now when I am clicking on a button and I want a form to be submitted, that is your JavaScript part. So it provides you functionality. So we are gonna focus on the styling part. CSS is all about styling or beautification of your HTML. CSS full form is cascading style sheets. Why it is known as cascading, we will learn in our future video for sure. So now for this, should you know HTML? Yes, you should know HTML, because that's where we are gonna do the styling part. So I would request you, if you can learn HTML, good. You can learn in parallel to these videos, or you can revisit after finishing these videos. But the knowledge of HTML is 100% required. Okay. Now the next thing is how to start with CSS. So for this, we are gonna move to our second video.